Hello everyone, good day. I hope everything is well with you. What's up? This is once again Brian Villarosa, and today I'm going to share how to subscribe to IPOs or initial public offerings through Philippine Stock Exchange Easy software program. And today I'm going to share my very practical experience based on my own buying or communication with my brokers and COL, so that you can also learn more, which are not included here in the tutorials. So I'm gonna share my what I did when I cannot see my confirmation, what are the steps, the cascading steps, so that you can also achieve you can experience investing in IPO. So once again, please visit my previous videos to know more about IPOs, about stock investings, and also I have a playlist called IPO investing. Just browse my channel, go to the playlist, and enjoy viewing these videos for free. Alright, so I'm gonna start first how to subscribe to IPOs through PSE Easy. This is provided by COL Financial itself, the authority, one of the brokers and one of the top authorities on stocks investing. Dali lang, ga-recording pa ko. Ang gala ko. Abutan na diyo. Alright. Balik ko lang. Alright, so how to subscribe to IPOs. Okay na? So first, make sure that you have an account in the easy.pse.com.ph. Sorry, and this is, I think, the very first time that the IPO has been sold to the local small investors via an online platform, which is primarily the purpose of PSE Easy is the LSIs, to open it to more inclusivity and more public, so that the more public can buy it. And also, you can see here that once you have your account already, you just make sure that you connect to it. Okay, and right here, step 1, go to easy.pse.com.ph and log into your PSE Easy account. Alright, so this is the very first time that it's gonna happen, so I'm gonna share this video so that in the next, in the coming near future, we can enjoy investing in IPOs, trying to speculate or maybe to invest in it, which is a very good news for the investor community or the LSI, local small investors here in the Philippines, or even if you are an OFW abroad. So as you can see, the very first example that they have is Axilum Resources Corporation. Obviously, this is the first stock through the PSE Easy, and this is the very first video tutorials that you can learn more about this. Okay, so it is what they say as a PSE IPO season. We could expect more coming soon, just like Manivillars, just like Metropolitan Hospital, the hospital by the Pangilinan Group, etc., and the other ones in the news lately. So we just have to stay tuned for these IPOs. And if you have set up your account already in Easy PSE, then it is easy for you to invest in the IPOs. So if you want to know more about IPOs, how can you leverage on that, how can you appreciate your capital on that, again, go back to my previous video or go to my playlist and see those videos that I made previously. So go to under active event, choose the IPO you want to subscribe to, and click the blue subscribe button under the action. So I'll go now to PSE, my PSE account. Make sure you have an account already. If you don't have an account, I have shared a video before this, so please again go back. So you will see here active event, meaning this is actively an IPO, which is actively offered right now as an IPO. So you can see the stock symbol, the event name, alright, the IPO, the company, and the start date and the end date. When you say IPO or initial public offering, this is not yet in the stock market, or let's say in the COL Financial. It's not yet in the PSE. It's initial public offering. So once you have this, the moment it is listed, so for this one, the listing date is, I think, October 7, you can be the first one to sell it at a higher price. So alright, so if it's not yet here in the active event, you may try to check someday if it's an upcoming IPO, so that you can also check if it's really coming, no, in under this tab. So click action, Sorry, it says server application error. Okay, I have to reconfirm first for a while because I have been inactive for quite some time. Alright, compilation error. Oh, sorry, I think there's a bug. Alright, so the site is down now. Anyway, it's okay because we have a PowerPoint presentation containing the actual shots. Okay, and go to order. Next is review the following details in the application to purchase. So you can see here the details, the listing date. I think if you can see it here. No, it's not yet here. But the offer price, the lot size, meaning the divisors, no, the minimum 1,000 shares. So you multiply this to the offer price, that's 5,000 pesos. So the minimum money or investment that you can start with is 5,000 pesos. And order size, scroll down and select the order size, select the number of shares. For this person, he will order worth 50,000 pesos. And then you have to select trading participant. Now, like me a while ago, this is September 24. This is the first day, no? But when I click the trading participant, I cannot click on my COL financial group, or I cannot see any selection in the drop down. Why? It's because I was not confirmed yet by COL, although already made an account under PSE. So what you have to do, if you cannot see your broker here or your trading participant, for COL users, I went to home and then change profile and then scroll down under the PSE easy status and it must be active. Right now, if you visit it there, it will say processing. All right. So question, what if you haven't received your confirmation number? What I did was to email COL Financial or request a new one. Since it did not went through, what I did is to have the long distance call to Manila and request for my activation number. Good news is that after some confirmation, they will just provide you the, I think, 8 numbers, your confirmation number, so that you can process the activation of your broker or trading participant account. So as you can see here, you can select your broker or your trading participant, and then once you have selected, it will go up to your subscription details. You can pay for your IPO order through over-the-counter payment with PSE Easy partner banks. For full payment instructions, go to your PSE Easy portfolio after you've placed your IPO order. Click the blue View button below Action. Alright, so below Action and select Print Download Payment Details. So here, click Action and then Application to Purchase. You have to print this one, okay, and this is your proof, kind of proof for the subscription. And then after selecting Print Download Payment Details, you'll see the full instructions on how to pay for your IPO subscription at PSE Easy's partner banks via over-the-counter bills payment. So if you have been paying bills online, so this is just as easy as paying bills. So let's say bank ABC, or let's say any BPI or Metro Bank or BDO Bank or East West, account name, account number. So you have to pay bills using these information. Alright, this is the instructions, special instructions. Payment status will appear as paid 1 business day after you made the payment. You will see how many shares you were allocated within 2 days after the IPO offer period, and the IPO shares will appear in your COL account in the listing date. So you will see the status of the running status of your IPO share. So this is the last slide. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe in this YouTube channel. I'm gonna share more what will happen the next day. Let's subaybayan natin kung anong mangyayari or ano ang mga experiences natin in investing to IPO as a local small investor. Thank you very much for watching. Ryan Villarosa. Visit my website, ryanvillarosa.com, for more tips and strategies. God bless. John 3:16, John 4:6.